ETENWOLF Vortex S6 air compressor. Let me show you some of the features of this thing. It's a high pressure pump. It's a high volume pump. It's got an auto stop feature. It's got a deflator, and it's got the power bank. So it's a built-in power bank for using on your cell phone or charging batteries or anything like that. Quick charge technology, 7 preset modes. You know what? An LED light. Let me show you what all you get in this thing. A bag in a box. And I like this bag. It's very nice and visible with the orange on it. Tough tools redefined. Well, you know what? The ETENWOLF has a tough tool redefined. You get a nozzle for like a Schrader valve or something like that. And what I like is, check that out. That is a deflate nozzle. I like that. Not many have a deflation nozzle on it. A USB-C to C charging cable. You can see that. You know what? I got a bunch of those things. A power brick, and a pretty good size power brick, 45-watt power brick, and it's labeled their power brick. A little kind of quick start guide. This I'll leave in here. It just kind of goes over how to use the functions, and a little owner's manual. So a little kind of owner's manual. Looks a pretty wide volume of calibration certification. And wow, they actually calibrated this and they passed. And good old Inspector Yee. We got Inspector Yee. Yee, if you're out there, good job so far. Actually, we haven't used it yet, so hold on, Yee, before I pat you on the back. Little warranty card, and that's everything in the bag right there. This right here, that nozzle, if you guys recognize that, that would go into like a ring, any type of air mattress or something like that. We will put that to the test because I have some air mattresses. I don't have any swimming rings because I don't have a swimming pool. This is a high pressure hose. So that's a Schrader valve that would go on a car tire or something like that. And on the back, well, I accidentally started it. Let me show you the buttons on this thing. Start, pause, mode, light, and unit. What happens when we hit the light? There's the light. How many different modes of that? Whoa, that's actually really bright. That's and it's got a flash mode. That would come in handy if you're sitting there airing your tire up. And I like how they angled it that way. So if I'm actually using it on a tire, this would be oncoming traffic and they would see that because you could put it on that flash feature. So that's kind of a good safety feature. Good job on the ETENWOLF on that one. Right here, you can see I've got 160 pounds of inflation on this thing. Very impressive. And going through the different types of modes. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there. There's car mode, 35, and I can't tell what that is. 8.5 on basketball. There's kind of like a deflation or kind of like an air nozzle. Bicycle right there. So you could set this up to do kind of like a low pressure type deal. So what I'm going to do first for y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put the Schrader valve on here. So let's take it over here, inflate a tire, and see. I don't have actually I'll take some air out of the tire and then I'll show you guys how it works. The inflation hose for like an air mattress or something is right there. And I'll get my air mattress down. You can see inflate and deflate. So I like the fact that that just kind of stays locked in right there. As soon as I turn it on, I've got it in car mode, this on there. Well, everybody, I'm at 41 PSI on there, but watch this. This is what I like about this. I like having that little switch right there for lowering it down. Let's get it down. Now we're at 38. So you're at 32 right here. I think I run my tires. I think they can go up to 44. So I'm going to run all of my tires at 40. So you see it's on 32 right now. Watch this. Look at this dial. Look how quickly I can go up to 40. This is the first one I've seen that has a dial. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there, but it's 40 PSI. So let's see how fast this thing will work. I'm fully charged right there. Then if I need the light, like I said, I can turn that little flashing light on and see how I would set this on like that. 39, that's fast. You can hear it kicking in right now. It's going into the higher setting, 39.9, 40. Wow, that was a quick shut off. So there it is. And then that worked great. I'm impressed. I do have all my tires inflated at 40, so y'all could see it worked with one. No sense of sitting here doing a bunch of other ones. Now, we've already tested the high pressure hose. Now let's take it over and test the low pressure hose on an air mattress. So this is it's kind of a self-inflating air mattress. I'm gonna go ahead and try to inflate it using this lower pressure one. So I've got it on deflate there, but we're gonna go ahead, go down to inflate. I put it on the inflate, just kind of, oh, I can see it already. I've used this air mattress before. This is the Wolf Tower mattress. Now let's try, this is the main thing that I wanted this for, is the deflation feature. Because I don't know if you guys have ever tried to deflate one of these, but make sure it's all, I'm in the deflation mode. I think we might be as much deflation as possible on this because there's a lot of foam in here. Y'all see how it's like stuck together now? It's always hard to get it back down in the bag. The ETENWOLF seems to have done its job on the deflation there. We've got the Wolf Tower and the ETENWOLF. I don't know what's with the wolves today. Yeah, check that out. This was a nightmare to get off of here, by the way. Look at it going back in. We are set, and then as long as you make sure those are closed, you're good. Yeah, I went ahead, I tested it out on a car tire, I tested it out on an air mattress. I see no issues at all with this ETENWOLF here. It has a nice premium look to it. The extra accessories with it, you know what, even Rocky comes over. He wants to be, can we blow a cat up? Let's see, take a bite of it there. But you can mash right here, deflate down. I can inflate up an air mattress. I can inflate a tire, a swimming ring, bike tires, basketballs, anything like that. So yeah, everybody, I recommend the ETENWOLF Vortex S6 series. I'm going to be using this amongst my travels, that's for sure. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today, and I will see you in the next video.